Anthony Edwards, born August 5, 2001, nicknamed Ant-Man or simply Ant, is an American professional basketball player for the Minnesota Timberwolves of the National Basketball Association, NBA. A shooting guard, Edwards played college basketball for the Georgia Bulldogs and was selected with the first overall pick by the Timberwolves in the 2020 NBA Draft. He is a three-time NBA All-Star, a two-time All-NBA second-team selection, and won a gold medal on the 2020 for U.S. Olympic team. Edwards finished his high school career at Holy Spirit Preparatory School in his hometown of Atlanta, Georgia, where he was rated a consensus 5-star recruit and one of the best players in the 2019 class by major recruiting services. As a senior, he earned McDonald's All-American and USA Today All-USA First Team honors. He committed to play college basketball for Georgia, becoming the highest-rated recruit to do so, and was named SEC Freshman of the Year after his freshman season with the team. Edwards spent his early life in Oakland City, Atlanta, Georgia. When he was 3 years old, he was given the nickname Ant-Man by his father. For much of his childhood, Edwards played football in the running back, quarterback, and cornerback positions. He played youth football for the Atlanta Vikings and became one of the best Pop Warner running backs in the country by age 10. Edwards switched his focus to basketball because he thought it looked more fun after watching his brothers play the sport. He often played basketball with his brothers at their grandmother's house. Entering 9th grade, he began training with Justin Holland, a former college basketball player for Liberty and an Atlanta-based basketball trainer. Player profile. Edwards plays primarily as a shooting guard. He is listed at 6 feet 4 inches and weighs 225 pounds. He's known for his explosive athleticism, often going viral for his thunderous poster dunks, including one over John Collins that the NBA named the 2023-20 for Dunk of the Year. The Ringer called him a preposterous athlete with a nice jumper and better instincts. He's drawn comparisons to a young Michael Jordan for his ability to finish around the rim. They have a lot of the same mannerisms, the moves, the fadeaway, the athleticism, the poster dunks. That same kind of work ethic, that same kind of, I don't sleep at all at night because I'm ready to play, I'm ready to hoop, according to teammate Mike Conley. Despite pre-draft concerns that he was a limited long-range scorer, Edwards has developed an efficient, high-volume three-point shot shooting 36% on 8 attempts per game. He led the NBA in three-pointers made for the 2024-25 season. The same year, he became the youngest player in NBA history to make 1,000 threes. His stout frame, lateral speed, and competitiveness have helped transform his reputation on the defensive end. Team USA coach Steve Kerr called his on-ball defense amazing during the FIBA World Cup. His ability to match up against both long wings and shifty guards has garnered praise from Timberwolves head coach Chris Finch. Edwards himself believes his defense is overlooked by the national media. In 2024, he won the NBA Fan Favorite Award for Block of Year after leaping to prevent a game-winning shot by the Pacers' Aaron Nesmith. Personal life. Edwards' daughter, Aislinn, was born in March 2024. 96 Edwards left the Timberwolves' March 1st game against the Sacramento Kings at halftime to be with Aislinn's mother, Shannon, as their child was born. Edwards' mother, Yvette, and grandmother, Shirley, both died of cancer during an 8-month span in 2015 when he was in 8th grade. He has worn the No. 5 basketball jersey since high school to honor them, as they both died on the 5th day of the month. After their deaths, Edwards was raised by his sister, Antoinette, and brother, Antoine, who shared legal custody of him. In high school, Edwards frequently worked as an instructor at youth camps. He intended to major in marketing while attending the University of Georgia. During his childhood, Edwards also starred in baseball, often acting as his team's 4th or 5th hitter in the batting order. He has jokingly said he was very skilled at a variety of sports when he was younger. He owns 2 dogs and has also expressed his affinity for lions, although he does not believe he has the requisite space to care for one. Edwards made his acting debut in the 2022 sports drama film Hustle. In 2023, Adidas released the AE1, his first signature shoe. It quickly became a bestseller, prompting the company to sign him to a multi-year extension worth around $50 million. Controversies. In September 2022, Edwards posted a video to Instagram story referring to a group of shirtless men standing on a sidewalk with a homophobic slur. The NBA fined him $40,000 for using offensive and derogatory language. In December 2023, Paige Jordan, an Instagram model, accused Edwards of impregnating her and then offering her $100,000 to get an abortion. Jordan posted screenshots of text messages with Edwards. The screenshots, which were initially posted to Jordan's Instagram story, also included a screenshot of a pending wire transfer of $100,000 on November 27, 2023. Edwards responded, "I am handling my personal matters privately and will not be commenting on them any further at this time." Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.